We had some technical difficulties, but now we're set up for Halloween.
Halloween!
Okay.
Okay.
Let's get the people ready.
Get them ready.
Are you going
This is not the people. That's not the people.
You can pretend or you can put it back in the container.
I am my man. I am a saber.
Okay. Ray, we have a schoolhouse. Uh-oh, gentle. We don't have to be rough in this game. We have, look at this character's dressed up like.
Santa.
Santa. He's going to this house. Trick or treat. It's hard for you to sit in the middle, isn't it? Okay, where do you want the lineup of kids to be? Right here?
That way.
Okay, you have to move backwards on your butt as the kids go to the doors, okay?
Okay.
Wait, these kids are coming first. He can go to the doors too.
What? You were looking at him.
Were you looking for him? Now you have found him. Okay, trick or treat.
Trick or treat.
Oh, we've got Orion in here. We've got a little Orion Titan. Okay, this guy can be in the lineup. Okay, trick or treat. Here you go. Have some candy and move to the next house. Move to the next house. Here's some treats. Move to the next house. Here are your treats. You take them to the next door, honey. This one or this one? Captain America is here.
Trick or treat. I'm not going to get this. Trick or treat.
Okay, here's your treat.
No, not ready.
Not ready? Okay. I'll get these people their treats. 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 There we go.
Treat.
Next house. Oh, now they're lined up at this house?
Trick or treat.
Okay, here's your treat.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Here's your treat. Nice costumes. I like those costumes. There you go. Here's your treat.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Trick or treat.
Here you go. You be careful tonight. Here you go. Have a nice night. You're little. You stay close to somebody big. Here's your treat. Who's next?
It's a police officer.
Police officer. How do you like my Captain America costume? Do you like it?
Yeah.
Thank you. Okay. Have a nice night, kids. Play safe. Oh, somebody else is coming to the door. Rain calls this guy Spider-Man. Here's your treat.
Thank you. I saved the day of the kids.
You're going to save the day and look after the kids. Okay. Next house.
Trick or treat.
There's a firefighter who lives here. Here you go.
Thank you.
You want to go to this house? Oh, that one? Okay, whatever.
Thank you.
There you go. I like your costume. There you go, Ryan. Oh, you are so organized, you children, and you're not fighting in the lineup.
Look.
Good children. Oh, ponytail. She has nice hair. There you go, little girl. Two more guys. Treats. Okay. Have a great night, kids. Happy Halloween. Oh, we've got you. There you go. Say with an adult. Okay. Oh, Spider-Man. I like your costume, Spider-Man. Do you like mine?
Yeah.
Good. Okay, I'll be seeing you. Here's Ryan to the door. I have healthy treats. I have some yogurt for each of you. There you go. I like healthy food. Oh, another Ryan. There you go, Ryan. Anybody else? Who's in this lineup? There you go. Okay, there you go. Okay. All right. Ray, is there anything you want to say to the kids?
Halloween, guys.
Happy Halloween, everybody. And stay
Stay quiet.
safe Okay, thank you.